everybody. You see what we got going on? Got the book bag on, got my pilot shades ready, got my pins ready to take off, But before we do that, look, as you read by the title, as you probably seen by the thumbnail, I hope. Look, we got a new thing, okay? This is for school, this is for flight. This is the North Face, okay? So I went out, and as you guys may or may not know, I am a pilot, okay? I am a pilot. And with being a pilot, you know, we gotta have a little reputation to hold, you know what I mean? So before I open this right here, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with, right? So, moral of the story, this thing is gone, right? So I'm gonna show you. This is terrible. Like the zippers, the zipper does not come down. Oh, you see, that's like broken, like really bad. Yeah, this side over here is hanging on by a thread. Yeah, no, that's terrible. So this right here is just no good anymore. Like my stuff is falling out and everything. So, dude, anyways, it's out the old in with the new. You know what I mean? So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take out our brand new North Face. Yeah, y'all see how clean that is. Y'all see how clean that is. A new North Face Borealis backpack, okay? And this is gonna replace our our flight bag, and just our general school bag, because this is gonna be my everyday thing when I go to school every day, because, you know, I'm still in school and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and rip this open. I'm gonna show you guys just some general stuff about the book bag, right? So this is no new book bag, not at all. But in this video, it's like, should you buy this for flight? Should you get this for tech? Should you use this bag just in 2024 in general? And my simple answer is just yes. You know, listen, by far, North Face is a very, very reputable brand, and I highly recommend it. Just based off the brand. Like, you know, you go buy a Ferrari, it's a Ferrari. You know what I mean? It holds its weight. You know, I'm a pilot. You know, like, I'm a pilot. My name holds its weight. North Face, there's North Face. The name holds its weight. McDonald's? Huh? Well, you didn't hear that. Starting with like the design, right? Design super duper cool, super duper simple. I got it in black right here. Have some straps you can hang some stuff on, which we will do, by the way. You got the shoulder straps in the back. Have a little lock right here, so if you want to clip it in, I'm gonna show you guys how that works right here. So, a little pull tab right here. What you do, you just click that out. Ooh, I'm gonna show you. Put it on my back like this. So, what you want to do, you know, as a pilot, and this right here, hey, I'm ready to go flying, you know what I mean? I'm ready to go flying. What you want to do just to close this up, you can adjust it as a little tab right here. We'll pull stuff. Super simple, man. Super simple. Boom, click. Hey, make sure you pull the tab, you know what I mean? This is super duper clean, y'all. Super duper clean. But yeah, so basically, as I can see, we got some stuff right here, right? We got some stuff right here, and we just want to see if our flight stuff and our school stuff will fit in this book bag, and is it a good choice for that? Like I said, this bag is multi-purpose, so you can flight, school, hiking, everything. The fit is nice. You got these little things in the back to support your back right here. Super duper cool. Man, the bag is pretty lightweight too, by the way. It's not really heavy at all. So this will go ahead and open up this pamphlet right here, right? So it does say it has the flex vent suspension system. That's for your back, by the way. The bungee compression system right here. So it has some good stuff. The bottom's compression, water. Yeah. Hey man, this is a new backpack. I'm gonna check it out, right? So the reason why I got this, like I said, because number one, my book bag was failing terribly, and number two, it's like I want something that would last a long time, and this is the way to go. So get this little top pack right here. Open up, argue with the North Face logo right here. I'm gonna show you guys how that look. You argue with the little North Face logo. Looks super clean, and the pockets are pretty deep. So what we're gonna do to test it real quick. This would probably, if you have a laptop, you know, good for your laptop, go into the top spot right here. But we're gonna try all the cases, all the little spots, right? So boom, slip. This is my iPad, by the way. And this is much deeper than what you would need for a laptop, but yeah. So fits it really nice, really smooth, really cool. That's the iPad, right? And what I would put in here, most likely, would be my headphones, because yeah, it should fit in here pretty snug, yeah, and it keeps it from going down. So that's that. So checklist number one, look, it's checking all the check marks, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open up another one right here. That was a compartment. And by the way, before I do open it, it does have 3, I believe. So you got the top zipper at the top right here. This middle one, which is just extra, this really deep, like honestly really deep pockets. And then this last one, which is the uppermost front one. And this one will hold all of your pockets and everything. So you can see all the dividers and organizers. So like my iPad, I don't know if it'll fit right here, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. If I want my iPad up front, maybe not with this case on. Yeah, no, not with this case on, but I mean, if I wanna have it like this sitting up straight, will it work like that? It will not. Now with the iPad Pro at least. You have a small iPad, probably will work. But no. Looks like, we're gonna check this out real quick. Looks like it does have some pencil dividers right here. Little thing right here. And there's some extra pockets and sleeves for just other miscellaneous stuff at the bottom. So, I mean, overall, this is really, and actually there's a fourth hidden spot right up here, right at the front. So, let me show you guys right here. So right up here, right in the front, there's a little hidden spot. Here my little tab, which I did not know. Zip that open, and this is just really small. Probably like some pins or something. I don't know what you might put it on. But yeah, so we're gonna try to fit all of our gear in this bag, which is 99% is super duper easy. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. And how I would do it on a normal day, including stuff for school too, right? So I already know in the back part, I'm gonna change up a little bit. In the very furthermost back, I'm gonna put my iPad. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we got. We got our shades. Our shades, that's gonna go all the way up front in one of our pockets because we like to carry 2 pairs of shades, by the way. So I'm gonna put these right here in our frontmost pocket. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks at the end. So yeah, that looks cool. We do have another pair of shades right here. And these are the Ray-Ban Metas, by the way. You gotta have these on any flight trip. So we're gonna slide this in this little pocket right here. This is how it's looking so far, y'all. It's the front pockets, right? You got 2 shades, okay? Okay, nice and clean, nice and clean. Let's see. So basically in the front, any tech gear you got, these are my DJI Osmo. Cause on a trip, you know, you gotta get the angles. And when you're flying, pick up a DJI Osmo. Guarantee you'll love it. It's probably one of the best devices out there, like for what your needs are, okay? So you can do that, lift that up real quick. And we're gonna put this in this other top section in the front compartment, and yo, that actually fits perfectly. Like right up there, actually fits pretty perfectly, okay? So that's all our tech gear. Mainly like any tech or anything, I'll most likely put it up here. I need to order me some more. I'm gonna start instrument flying soon, by the way. Hey look, if you wanna see like just like flying content from me, go check out my other channel at Daily Ron. Okay, that's where you're gonna see all of that type of stuff. And then boom. That's it, y'all. Like, that's literally it. So now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks while I'm on it. I guess while I'm wearing it. So I'm gonna zip it up real quick. Little zipper noises, by the way, too. I know it's like a little critique thing, but some bag zippers don't sound zippery, if that really makes sense. Like they just really don't. So let's see. Zip this up. Make sure everything is nice and neat. And I'm gonna give you my comfortability test. Wait. Wow, man, this is still pretty lightweight, so I'm gonna show you guys how this looks real quick. All right, 1 second. Move this out the way. Move our chair. And this is how I look. I know, tell me guys what you think. I'm a pilot. This is a pilot way, okay? It's a pilot way. Still got North Face on here. Pretty light. I have all my gear and then some. So yeah, I mean, I really can't complain. And then we still have room for extras, right? Because we still got the side pockets for water bottles and everything like that on our sides. So overall, after this book bag, I'm loving the material. It feels really premium, really high quality. Yeah, overall this is really good. The only like little caveat right here that might become a problem in the future, but like I said, this is probably gonna be pretty light use of this bag overall, is these straps right here, right? So these do like they can tear, it looks like. Now this is not to say, like I said, North Face does have really high quality items, but I would never try to like put over like too much weight in this bag because these do look like they could tear. But besides that, yeah, y'all, this bag is amazing. I recommend it. If you want to pick one up, hey, go pick one up because this is good. This is pretty good. Let me see. Oh yeah, some more specs. It's a 2-pound bag, 5 ounces. Look, this is the Borealis. Hey, everything's gonna be linked in the description. But yeah, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed the video. But that's really all we got today. Hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, we are out, man. This the bag. It's a new flight bag, new school bag. Hey, MGA ready. Like I said, check out the other channel for more content, Daily Ron. But hey, Ronz.y's out. Peace.